Hey Paige, I heard you found your dream home.
I sure did.
Can you tell me about how that happened?
Yeah. Well, it was DreamHaus, which has a very high success rate. Basically, my husband and I, before we were married, lived in a place we really loved on Pickering Wharf. It was waterfront, it was walking distance to work, we got to see the 4th of July fireworks, and then one day our landlord decided to give it to his daughter. So we were like, this can't be a downgrade. We got the DreamHaus kit and we were asking for things like an equally iconic location, brick, hardwood, multiple floors, walking distance to house switch. Oh, and we wanted it wrapped up like really fast, and we got it. And now we're in a restored historic building overlooking a famous cemetery, and we were able to get our perfect daughter, Louise. So it's a really accessible spell. You just light your candle and your incense, use the note card to write down all the very specific things that your dream house would have. Then you place the pyrite on top of the card, anoint the skeleton key, which we source from Witch City Thrift, with the magnetism oil, and bring it with you on any house hunting trips. Once you've found your dream house, you put the card in the envelope and write your name and new address on the top. We keep ours on our windowsill to just keep the homey vibes going.